At Young, we're rethinking the traditional co-travel. So, we've created an entirely new experience, the RDH Ride-Along. Over the last 3 years, Young Dental has built a strong network of dental hygienists that have the credibility of actively working chairside and the savvy to support the sales side. Our reps are all active hygienists, working 2 to 3 days a week at their respective dental practices. The rest of their time is spent working for Young Dental, representing our line of premium dental hygiene products and riding along with you. As active hygienists, they're skilled in speaking to other hygienists about product. Those conversations lead to sales. Those sales are your sales. Woo-hoo! An RDH ride-along with one of our 65 hygienists across the country is the winning formula to increase brand awareness and boost sales. Since peer-to-peer recommendations are the #1 sales driver in dental hygiene, what that means for you is you will make more money. You will make more money! Whoops, did we already say that? In fact, reps who've participated in the RDH ride-along had 9 times the sales growth versus those that didn't. And the average rep that participated earned over $150 in incentive pay on the day of their RDH ride-along, with the opportunity to earn much, much more. In summary, here is what you can expect the hygienist to bring to the RDH ride-along. Oodles of positive energy, fresh clinical perspective, exclusive promotions, rep incentives awarded to you that day, great samples for your offices. They'll even bring the lunch money. Find out what your peers have already realized. Schedule your Young RDH ride-along today. Download the Young Sales app or click here.